There he is, red-breasted grosbeak. I bought this bird feeder the other day. It's squirrel proof, but the factory perch is extremely close. Good for little birds, not so good for the bigger birds like the grosbeak, the blue jay, and the cardinal. I drilled 2 holes in the side of the factory perch, cut the plastic coffee lid up, broke off a piece of bamboo, a couple rubber bands to hold it on, and they are liking it so far. On the far side, sometimes they go after to get the seed out, and on the factory perch, and they have to flutter a wing a time or two, or they just don't land on it. They have to adjust their bodies in a awkward position. I got tired of feeding the squirrels. They would climb up there on the other feeder. Anyway, it's just a little thing that I did there. Where's okay? He's going to the other feeder. And on that type of feeder too, he has to awkwardly bend, which I guess really ain't no problem, but hey, what the heck. That was an immature grosbeak, red-breasted grosbeak. There we are. Coming in, sitting down, and anchoring that with the rubber bands was good because otherwise it would have flipped up on them. It's not necessarily squirrel proof right there because the screws prevent the the perch from bending down, folding down like it does and closing the lid, but I can alter that another day. I'm just happy to have did what I did here to allow the bigger birds the ability to feed. They have the red-breasted grosbeak. All right, well, y'all have a good day. God bless. Happy 4th of July.